our factory and do one online factories inspection. We hope we can let more and more people and more friends know our Alucoworld 20 years history aluminum composite panel manufacturer. So now we just start our Facebook online factories inspection. But before I take you to look around, visit our factory, inspection our factory, I will tell you some history about Alucoworld. Tell you how Alucoworld born and how Alucoworld is built, how Alucoworld grows to today, how Alucoworld become more and more stronger and more bigger, because we have many more customers all over this world. We have more than 80 countries customers. You see, so today, now I'm sitting here and tell you some history, tell you some how we grows. So firstly, you see our Alucoworld, we have been produced and selling aluminum composite panels for nearly 20 years, and we have exported aluminum composite panels to overseas for 18 years. So I hope you can know more about our Alucoworld from this live show. So again, welcome our new friend come to Facebook live room. This is the official Facebook live room of Alucoworld. You see our Alucoworld Facebook page has more than 2,000 or 20,000 fans, 20,000 fans from different countries. But the number isn't very big, but you see 80% of our fans are real buyers for aluminum composite panels. So I hope today's live show can help everybody have a real look, have a good look of our Alucoworld factory. You see, from 18 years ago, we have start our aluminum composite panels business to overseas market. You see, at that moment, there are about 18 years ago. At that moment, there are very few factories can export ACP to overseas. Only several factories in Jiangsu and Guangdong province can export. You see, 18 years ago, about you see, aluminum composite panel is a new product before 20 years. But 18 years ago, 8 years ago, only some Guangdong factory and Jiangsu factories can export the goods to overseas. You see, the Zhejiang province, the factory in Zhejiang province is the third group that can export the aluminum composite panel to abroad. So Alucoworld's brand was born at that moment, was born 18 years ago. You see, our growth is from that day, one day, without receiving any phone call and without receiving any email. There are 2 Russian friends come to our factory. At that moment, our employee can't speak English. In our factory, only one younger who is graded, one new graded girl can speak some very simple English. So at the moment, She acted as a translator, helped our boss and these Russian friends had a conversation up to 1 hour. That's it. So our first successful deal is happened. So you see, our first business is from Russian market. So today, because I needed to speak more information about our Alucoworld's history, about our Alucoworld's information. So I have do some preparation before this live room. So maybe I will talk some information from these papers. So hope our friend can understand. So let's going on again. You see, our first Alucoworld's business is from 18 years ago. So from that moment, our boss find that the demand in overseas market is very bigger, is more bigger than Chinese domestic market. So our boss had built the new office in Shanghai. You see, Shanghai is one international city, and Shanghai has the biggest port in China. And it is very easy to export from Shanghai to many different countries. So Alucoworld's boss has built the new office in Shanghai. And from that moment, our Shanghai's office is from small one to middle one to now the whole floor. There, I take you to see last live show. You see, we have the whole floor of Alucoworld office in Shanghai. You see, that whole floor is also belong to Alucoworld. Is also Alucoworld's company. So from that moment, our Alucoworld is our bread to our foreign customers. So from that, we is grown up from one very small, younger people. Now, I'm doing live show together with you in our factory. Our factory is in Taixing City. You see, now this live room, this place is located in Taixing City. Taixing City is in Jiangsu province. Hello everybody, I'm coming again. Sorry, just now the internet has some problem. So let's going on. Our factory is located in Jiangsu or in Taixing City, Jiangsu province. So if you come to visit us, you should you can to Shanghai first. We will take you. Taixing City is only about 2 hours. You can to our factory is only 1 hour is enough. And you see, all our aluminum composite panels orders placed by our foreign customers will be produced here, and loaded here. And after loading, our aluminum composite panels containers will be sent directly to Shanghai port, and wait for different shipping companies to send your goods to all over the world. Port. Today, I will not take you to see the production of our aluminum composite panels, but also I will take you to see our delivery process. So you will witness the whole processes of your goods from the production to load and the delivery. You will feel that your order is completely safe and here if you buy from our Alucoworld factory. You see now this is one special parent. Before COVID-19, there are nearly about 2 to 3 different groups of foreigners will come to visit our factory every week. Some of them came to inspect the goods before the shipment. Some come to visit our factory before they placing the order. And some just come and bought them directly, even without a phone call, just like our first Russian customers. You see, our first order is come by our customer themselves. We don't know, we will have the overseas marketers business. You see, usually some customers will come by themselves without any email or without any forms. Now, you see, in this world, Alucoworld's bread is become more and more famous, and more new customers will come and place orders directly without any contact. And they actually, why they will do this? Because more and more people actually already know our bread or already use our Alucoworld bread aluminum composite panel in their local market. They have learned about our 18 years history and excellent quality. So they only want to buy and to use our Alucoworld bread's aluminum composite panels. So they don't need to contact our sales in advance. They just find our detailed address on our company website and come directly. Some things also always happened during every year's Canton Fair. You see, Canton Fair is the biggest international fair in China. Many more foreign customers will come to Canton Fair and look for their supplier. But in every year's Canton Fair, there are always many new customers who come to our Alucoworld's booth directly because they only knew Alucoworld bread's aluminum composite panel. So I talked with you so much is in order let you know we are one real 18 years aluminum composite panel manufacturer, and we have really do many business with our overseas friends. So hope just like I told you, we have been produced ACP for more than 18 years. We offer, and for all the panels we produced, we offer 15 years guarantee time to each customer. During the past 18 years, we basically have no quality complaints. Our high quality has built an excellent public reputation all over the world. Many engineering companies only want to use our Alucoworld bread. So this is why even after 18 years, our new customers are still showing large and strong growth every year. So that's all. All the above I have just mentioned are mainly for our new customers who just the first time come to our live room, who is just knew us for the first time. I hope the new customer, the new friends can have a simple but complete understanding about our factory. Now, just now, I will let you start our online factory inspection. So now, please follow me. We will complete the first time online factory inspection process together. You see, now it is COVID-19. COVID-19 isn't finished. So it is impossible for you to fly directly to China to visit our factory. But today's online factory visit will be also very well. So let's start now. Okay, I will change the phone and take you from one place to one place. Okay, I will take everybody to have a face-to-face show of our factory. You see, now let's start from our entries of our factory. Hello, welcome new friend. Come to visit our factory. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Come to my live room. You see, this is the factory of Alucoworld. You should recognize our gate because you see now more and more Alucoworld become more and more popular. So many fake companies will say they are also Alucoworld. No, Alucoworld is only one factory in Taixing City, Jiangsu Province. This is our gate. So you should recognize who is real factory of Alucoworld. Who is the factory of Alucoworld aluminum composite panel? This is our building. This is our building. You see our sales department is located in our sales department is located in Shanghai. But our production is located here. We have two sub areas. Here is, but this is the old building. This is the old building. We have the new plate of the production, but also in this city. But it is building now. Be built now. You see, first of all, the first place you see now is the door of our office building. This is the main office building of Alucoworld. You see the curtain wall is also made by our Alucoworld aluminum composite panels. This aluminum composite panel, you see the curtain, the aluminum composite panels of this building are already nearly 15 years history. You can see the color is still very good, no fading. So let's step into this building now. Firstly, you see is our reception area, and the two sides of our reception desk are the working area and rest area of our workers. The first floor we mainly visit is our quality inspection department and the products exhibition hall. Okay, let's come into our products exhibition. You see, just now I'm sitting here and talk our Alucoworld history. You see in our this exhibition hall, you can see our aluminum composite panels. You see our aluminum composite panels is made into various colors, in various shapes and colors. This is the different colors that our customers usually buy. You can see, besides the basic colors, you can see here, They are the basic colors you can order, basic colors. And there are some projects, some good projects that we do abroad. You see also, there are the different colors. Also, you can see our reputation we get. Okay. Besides the basic colors, we can do the spatial finish. We can do the spatial finish. And you can see there are more pictures with our friends. You can see our friends from Australia, from South America, and in Canton Fair. Our friend. Maybe your picture will be here also. Our boss in Saudi Arabia. Yeah. You see, the aluminum composite panels can be wired used for exterior and interiors for. They not only for exterior, but also for interior. Interior, you can buy 3 millimeters, and the exterior, you can buy 4 millimeters. Because if the aluminum thickness is more thin, and it can be used for maybe for 15 floor, 80 floor, 50 floor, or 80 floor, you can use our Alucoworld aluminum composite panel. When our panels are used for exterior, its lifetime can be more than 20 years, but our guarantee time for color is 15 years. You see, all the panels color will not fade for 20 years in natural weather and the natural environment. Besides for aluminum composite panels, I want to say that because the aluminum composite panel is very light, so it does not cause too much burden to the building. So, and its surface layer can be made to various of colors. The building with aluminum composite panel is very fashion, modern, and can be in different shape. So it is welcomed and widely used by engineers and designers in various of countries. Additional advantage of our panels is weather resistant, and the sun doesn't affect it at all, since panels are protected, so they don't can get dirty easily. So the clean is also very easy. You don't need to clean it very often, and the cleaning process is also very easy. If you want to know how to clean the aluminum composite panels building, you can contact with us. Yeah. Thank you, everybody. And if our friends in this live room interested in our aluminum composite panels, you can contact our email, our WeChat, and our WhatsApp. We will reply you. We will reply you at once. We will reply you very soon. You see why we can do more business with more than 80 countries, because our service is very good. Our sales people is very professional, and we are very responsibility for all your job in our factory. So come back to our aluminum composite panel. You see, for another important for our aluminum composite panel is it is very easy to be installation. When we install them on the wall, it is easy to be cut and bent. Each board can be cut and bent in various sizes and shapes, and then you can install them with simple widths on the keel around the building. Sorry, maybe you see some word from me isn't very exactly, but I hope my friend can understand me, because if you can understand Chinese, I will be one very good host. I will show again all the colors we can make. You can have a close look of the colors, because for each customers, if you want to buy aluminum composite panels, you should choose the colors directly. So all the colors are here, and if you buy aluminum composite panel from us, we can send you so bigger color chart in container free for you. You can show it in your shop, show it in your company, and let your customers choose the colors from this bigger color chart. Yeah. All these numbers are our colors that we can make. You can choose. You can choose by yourself. You see, there are many old buildings in different countries. Each country has many more old buildings. ACP is very popular, used for you changing the face of old buildings. If you use the ACP for installing the surface of old buildings, after all the ACP is finished the installation, this building will look like one new building. It is very easy for installation. After on the wall, it is looked very beautiful, very fashion, and very modern. Okay, in our this first floor, we also have one important office is called the inspection department. So after we visit our factory, I will take you visit our inspection room. So now I will take you to have a look of the second part of our office building. Okay, our second floor is arrived. Let's follow the stairs and go to our main offices on the second floor. There are our accounting department, material purchasing department, and also our boss office. Okay, you can see this is our boss office. This is our boss. Yeah. If you come to visit our factory, you will have a meeting with him. This is our boss's office here. Yeah, okay. Here is you can see this whole large area where you can read. You see, this place is for you to read, communicate. In this part, in this area, we often hold salons for our employees. Here we will discuss how we can improve our production processes and management processes. All problem happened in our work will be finally resolved here in the form of salons. They are the place for our employees to do some accessories, to do some sports. This is one nice place to have a rest. So next step, I will take everybody to see our exact production of aluminum composite panels. Hello everybody, welcome everybody come into our Alucoworld Facebook live room. This is Alice, today's host. Today I'm here in our Alucoworld aluminum composite panel factory to show you our factory, to show you our delivery, to show you our inspector, and let you know more and let you know everything of our Alucoworld manufacture. I will let you feel you can compete with us. You can buy from one real factory. This is a Chinese factory. You can know Chinese factory is very good at this moment, and every person is very professional, and we can give all the customers the best service and the best sales project. You see, before only in Europe there are many 100 years manufacture, but Alucoworld in China is also 20 years. Our aim is 100 years manufacture, similar like Europe, like the USA, because China is become more and more bigger, more and more stronger. Now I'm into our production. Okay, this is our factory. You see, this very big place have some different rules. We will start from one part to one part. Hello, welcome new friend. Come to my Facebook live room. This is Alucoworld Facebook live room. Now I'm showing everybody here in my live room that our factory, Alucoworld factory. You can see our you can have online visit of our aluminum composite panels. You can see all the materials. Aluminum coils are here, and they have the different colors and with a different lot number. Our material is sending here. This line is for materials loading. This line is for materials putting. We will stock the materials here. This is materials area. And the middle line is for stock our panels. So you see, at this moment we have more stock panels, more stock panels. So if you need to buy some stock now, because now the aluminum price is increased too much, but our all materials, our all stocks panels are with lower price, because the material price we bought is cheaper than now. So if you can choose to buy our stock panels, we will offer you very good price. We can offer you very good price. So you can see our stock. We have many very good stock. You can see this is fireproof panels. You see Mongolia country live to buy fireproof aluminum composite panels. How to see which is fireproof? You can see fireproof is white colors plastic core inside. This is fireproof. Okay, white color plastic core is fireproof, and black color is common plastic core. I will repeat with everybody again. Here is the Alucoworld Facebook live room. Today is a show to visit our Alucoworld factory. Now here is the stock panels area. You can see we have so many stock. Our stock is orders from different countries, but we also have some stock. We also have some stock can be sold because we prepared some material. We prepared more stocks when the aluminum price is cheaper, and you see now the aluminum price is higher. If you want the cheaper price aluminum panels, you can contact with us by WhatsApp, by email, by WeChat.
Hello everyone, welcome to Alucoworld live show for the factory visit. And now we are going to the loading process because it is too noisy and the Wi-Fi signal is very bad. So just now the signal is very bad, so we stop and I open the live again. So if you are interested in buying aluminum composite panel, you can contact with us. You see, we always using the forklift and the platform to load in the container piece by piece. The panels will be moved into the container by the workers, 2 piece by 2 piece. Again. Because after this loading process, our online factory tour is almost over. But we have the most important part later. This is the loading process for aluminum composite panel, and this container will go to Egypt. If you want to know our contact information and get in touch with us quickly, our team in the moment area are constantly sending our email, WhatsApp, and WeChat contact information. So you can choose any method to get in touch with us quickly. We will answer your questions in the first time. Or you can also leave your email and WhatsApp here. Then we will give you the best solution for aluminum composite panel. And the last part will be the most important procedure of our live show. So please come in. And our boss Alice will show you the most important part. Hello. Hello, hello. Welcome to Alucoworld live show. This is our factory visit, factory tour. Now is the loading process. Loading process. Are you interested to still watching? Or we will go? Hello. Because the signal is very bad, so almost suspend, always suspend. so it's not good for our life. Then we will go to our meeting room, our live show room, for our most important step.
Hello, nice to meet you again. Hello, welcome you come to our Facebook live room now. Now here is Alucoworld Facebook live room. Just now we have take 2 hours to visit our office, visit our exhibition hall, visit our production, visit our inspection processes, visit our delivery, how to deliver, how to load, how to pack. So that's all. So today's factory inspection, factory visit will be nearly end. But at the end, I want to tell you something about how to import aluminum composite panel from China. You see, we have done aluminum composite panel producing and exporting for 20 years, for nearly 20 years. And we have many more years experience for exporting the aluminum composite panel to overseas. So I have some suggestion to inform you, because I see we are the very old brother in this field. But we see there are many new foreign friends want to come into this field to import aluminum composite panel to their country to sell or to their projects. Because aluminum composite panel is one new product in many different countries. So it is very easy for install, for cutting, for bending. So many buildings prefer to use aluminum composite panel because they can use different colors, different shapes. So it is used very commonly. So, but for many customers, this product is one new product. So I have some suggestion. Finally, I have some very good suggestion to our customers. And on next Facebook live show, we will shine our another host. This host is just now. She take us to visit our inspection and delivery. That woman will show you. Will have one Facebook live show info you some problem usually happened during the aluminum composite panels exporting. But today I will not tell you this. I will give you some very good suggestion when you buy aluminum composite panels from China. So the first suggestion is first one, if you want to buy aluminum composite panel from China, the first one is you should be sure that you need to buy from the direct factory, because you see aluminum composite panel is a B2B business. It is a business in bulk, not B2C, not like I will buy one clothes or one bag or one shoes. It is bulk business. Nearly 90% customers will buy aluminum composite panels by container. One container we can hold, we can load more than 4,000 square meters in 120 feet container. So you should compete with the real factory. You should compete with the real and directly factory, because there in these years you see all the business isn't so easy for deal. So there are many trading companies in China that also sell aluminum composite panel. They may claim that they are also factories, but no. You should promise that you can recognize it is a real factory. Real factory is very important. You should know whether they are the real factory or one trading company, because if your goods meet any problem, meet any quality problem, most trading companies don't have the ability to pay your loss. They can't do nothing. Maybe they will disappear. This is very important. So this is why I have one online factory visit to our all friends in different countries by Facebook live show. Because if we show you the whole factories, everything from Facebook live show, you will know, oh, Alucoworld is very good. Alucoworld is one real factory. So one real factory to compete with you, you buy from one real factory is very important. And the suggestion too I will give you is try your best to compete with long-established brands, because long-established brands have a very long, good reputation, and their product normally have no quality problems. Because you see, for example, we are Alucoworld. We are already 80 years. We are already 80 years exporting experience. In the past so many years, we haven't nearly no meet any quality problem. But we have this very small problem. But small problem is a small problem because we have passed 80 years. But we really know big quality problem. If you are not with us by some small problem, we will pay you all the loss. We do everything is satisfied our customers all the requirements. We do everything is to be sure our very good reputation. So, but in the past few years in China, many new brands have come out in China. These new brands will spend more and more money on overseas advertising, because such as Google advertising, Alibaba advertising, they spend so much money on overseas advertising in order for more customers to see them on website, because they don't have they don't have so many customers base. So I suggest you this. If you compete with one company, don't see how many advertising parts you can see them, but you should know whether their brand is long time, whether their brand is very famous, whether their brand is with very good quality. So in China, only long years history brand aluminum composite factories will have very good quality, because all long years aluminum composite panel factory over 15 years usually now spent very little money on overseas advertising, because such as us, we already have hundreds of customers all over the world and a very good overseas market. So it is not easy for you to see this all the big factories on the internet, but Alucoworld already has a very good reputation in this world. Many countries project will require to use Alucoworld. They know Alucoworld for many years. Engineers like, and the customers like, projects like. So I think in China, if you want to buy aluminum composite panel, you should compete with all the factories, because all the factories always pay attention to the brand reputation, not just a few new orders. We have very large old customer basic, but we also have many new customers come out year by year, and these customers, you see in our country or in our company, you see we have some customers 15 years. 15 years, longest time is 15 years, 10 years, 8 years. We have more than 60% of our total customers have more than 5 years comparison time. That's me. More than 60% of our customers has completed with our factory for more than 5 years. 5 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, and the longest is 50 years. Why? Why our first customer is disappear? Because you see now Russia, you see our from the beginning I told you our first customer is from Russia. Our first 2 containers is exported to Russia port. But now about from 8 years ago, Russia is stopped to import aluminum composite panel from China. Stop. And Russia's market requirement is become low quantity. So our first, it's very pity that our first Russia customer stop ACP business, but our Russia customer company is very big, because we know their boss. Their boss is very handsome, and their boss is very great, because his company is very bigger in Moscow. He is one very good boss, one very strong company, but stopped all the ACP, because at that moment ACP is one new product. This new Russia customer has completed with us for 3 years. After 3 years, they have stopped all the aluminum composite panels product. This field they cut. So that's all. So I have the third suggestion to inform all our friends. You see, if you have the interest in to buy aluminum composite panel from China, you should to be sure to contact a very professional aluminum composite panels salesperson. That's me. You contact the person that you contact. You see, I suggest you that when choosing a Chinese sales to serve you, when you start the business with from China, you should contact with one salesperson from one company. You should choose a salesperson with more than 5 years experience, because only such an old sales can give you the most reliable purchase play for these new sales. For those new sales, because if their experience is less than 5 years or less than 3 years, they can't answer your questions in time, and they can't give you the best sales suggestion. So we suggest to you that you should change the new younger sales in ACP. If you contact with a Chinese salesperson, you can you can know this sales is very good, this sales isn't very good, this sales is very safety, this sales can't be so safety. So contact with the salesperson with more than 5 years in aluminum composite panels field. So if this sales is more than 5 years experience, he will have enough ability to help you to solve all the problems during you buy the aluminum composite panel from China. Salesperson is very important, because if you meet any quality problem, you should contact with him, and he will finish all the problem with you. From the very beginning, you asked for the price. You asked for the samples, you should contact with this person. And until you get the goods, if you meet the problem, you should contact with him. So he or she should be he or she should be 100% responsibility for you. And the last suggestion from me is, don't only aim to the lowest price in China, because there is one old Chinese saying, you get what you paid for. Remember, you get what you paid for. It is impossible for a Chinese company to sell you any goods without any profit. When a supplier offers you very lower price, please be careful. Be very, very careful, because the quality of the goods you may receive will be sure also the lowest. Lowest price means low quality. So I suggest you, the best solution is you choose the middle level price in China. The middle level is right, is correct, is reliable. If you find some prices is too cheap, too big distance from other suppliers' price, so consider this price. Consider whether this price is reliable or not. So, except the price. I suggest you, we can do this. You choose the middle level price, and you choose the old bread, and you choose the sales with more than 5 years. Then the final choose if one factory can quote you the middle level price, if the factory is with old bread, if the factory can have more than 5 years salesperson, complete with them, you will be success in this business. In the past 18 years ago, Alucoworld is younger, but now we are 18 years. We are not younger. We have enough experience in this field. If you choose to buy from us, we will let you 100 satisfied with everything about us. So if you have the interest to compete with us, contact our Facebook contact information, contact our WeChat, come to our website. On our website you can get all our informations. I think if you want to compete, if you have the interest on us, you can easily get all the contact information that you want from the internet. Okay, so today's Facebook Alucoworld Facebook live show will be end. It has taken nearly 2.5 hours. Thank you for you. spending the time with me. Our next Facebook live show will be in our Shanghai office. Shine will waiting you in this Facebook live room for tell you how to solve the problem that happened in aluminum composite panels exporting and importing by you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Welcome everybody. Come to our Facebook live room. This is Alucoworld, aluminum composite panel manufacturer. This is Alucoworld, aluminum composite manufacturer live room. Today, I am in our factory and take you to have a tourist online for our factory. So nice to meet you, everybody. Nice to meet you. My name is Alice. I'm your host today. So today you should follow me to take around and look at visit our factory and do one online factory's inspection. We hope we can let more and more people and more friends know our Alucoworld 20 years history aluminum composite panel manufacturer. So now we just start our Facebook online factories inspection. But before I take you to look around, visit our factory, inspection our factory, I will tell you some history about Alucoworld. Tell you how Alucoworld born and how Alucoworld is built, how Alucoworld grows to today, how Alucoworld become more and more stronger and more bigger, because we have many more customers all over this world. We have more than 80 countries customers. You see, so today, now I'm sitting here and tell you some history, tell you some how we grows. So firstly, you see our Alucoworld, we have been produced and selling aluminum composite panels for nearly 20 years, and we have exported aluminum composite panels to overseas for 18 years. So I hope you can know more about our Alucoworld from this live show. So again, welcome our new friend. Come to Facebook live room. This is the official Facebook live room of Alucoworld. You see our Alucoworld Facebook page has more than 2,000 or 20,000 fans, 20,000 fans from different countries. But the number isn't very big, but you see 80% of our fans are real buyers for aluminum composite panels. So I hope today's live show can help everybody have a real look, have a good look of our Alucoworld factory. You see, from 18 years ago, we have start our aluminum composite panels business to overseas market. You see, at that moment, there are about 18 years ago. At that moment, there are very few factories can export ACP to overseas. Only several factories in Jiangsu and Guangdong province can export. You see, 18 years ago, about you see, aluminum composite panel is a new product before 20 years. But 18 years ago, 18 years ago, only some Guangdong factory and the Jiangsu factories can export the goods to overseas. You see the Zhejiang province, the factory in Zhejiang province is the third group that can export the aluminum composite panel to abroad. So Alucoworld's brand was born at that moment, was born 18 years ago. You see, our growth is from that day, one day. Without receiving any phone call and without receiving any email, there are two Russian friends come to our factory. At that moment, our employee can't speak English. In our factory, only one younger who is graded, one new graded girl can speak some very simple English. So at that moment, she acted as a translator, helped our boss and these Russian friends had a conversation up to 1 hour. That's it. So our first successful deal is happened. So you see, our first business is from Russian market. So today, because I need to speak more information about our Alucoworld's history, about our Alucoworld's information. So I have do some preparation before this live room. So maybe I will talk some information from these papers. So hope our friend can understand. So let's going on again. You see, our first Alucoworld's business is from 18 years ago. So from that moment, our boss find that the demand in overseas market is very bigger, is more bigger than Chinese domestic market. So our boss had built the new office in Shanghai. You see, Shanghai is one